Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to download and install Likee on your iPhone. So if you want to download the Likee app on your phone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Apple Store, then use the search bar button, then type in Likee. You can just tap on the search bar at the down part of the screen, or you use the search bar at the top, then type in Likee, then tap on the first option. Okay, I guess I made a mistake. Okay, good. Just have to put in the appropriate word. Then after you put in the appropriate word, just give like a few seconds to load the app, and this is the app at the top. Just tap on the app, then tap on get, then give a few seconds for the app to get the store to get the app for you. Then you just use your Face ID or your Touch ID or your Apple ID password just to verify that it's you, that you are the one that want to install the app. Once that is done, just tap on install, then the app will download itself automatically, then install itself at the same time. Then you can go back to your own page on your own screen, then you can now navigate and use the app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.